All right, here we go. I got called into the shop. We had an interesting complaint. Vehicle here for, what was it, Clayton?
Exhaust issues and noises. Vehicle was running a little poorly. Here we are to diagnose it. It's got this custom Borla tip. Nice Borla exhaust. Oh, hanger that was welded but not anymore. It's all right. Then we go down here where we cave in the exhaust to do the repair. Not so much. Missed the hanger, not a big deal. Go a little further up here. Exhaust clamp missing. Interesting. Oh, here they are. They're right here. At least there's a few of them on it. When we get down here, and you don't need to tighten your O2 sensors. They just hang out.
Self-tightening. That's new.
It's Wisconsin for you. And then, oh, we accidentally burned a hole in it. That's all right. Nobody will see that up there. As we move along in the story here, when your joint doesn't quite match up, you just wrap it with this.
Is that like a wrapper off a turkey sandwich or something?
Yes.
Okay.
And then we use the neighbor's trailer wiring for our new O2 sensor wiring.
Oh man,
Yeah.
I like the nuts up there. Good.
Yep. And the exhaust will hold that up. We don't worry about that. The exhaust doubles his hanger. Into your 2-to-1, which is just phenomenal welding. It's great. Then you get up here and here's your trailer wiring still hanging down. Good deal. Wrapped with fiberglass tape because that's awesome for heat and everything.
That looks like something you wrap your horse's foot in.
Right. And some chicken wire along the way. Then we get up to here. Oh, suspension's in the way. It'll make room. No worries. Oh, up against the oil pan, there's not enough heat in there already. We'll add a little bit more to it.
I think it looks like it's rubbed through, maybe.
Correct. Can't quite get to the welds. Not a big deal. We'll just kind of patch them in there. Dent the exhaust up for a little more clearance. And then because it opened up the gap, we'll just fill that with a little bit more chicken scratch weld.
That's nice. Nice stainless header.
Yep.
Junk.
Destroyed.
Oh man. I just want to see something. Did they cut the trailer wire off the... No. They kept the trailer wiring on this, so they can still pull the trailer. It'll just be loud when they're doing it. All right, so take your vehicle to be repaired at, like, you know, a shop and not some guy in his trailer park. That's pretty messed up. Thanks, Clayton.
Yeah, no problem.